currently is 6 o'clock in the morning. Today is the day after my birthday. So today I'm gonna have a party with all my friends. So right now I'm getting ready to go to cross country. I'll be back and then I'm gonna go to summer seminary, go to the store, get ready, and have my party. Stupid airplanes. I'm like completely out of breath. Okay, so I just barely got done with summer seminary and now we're back home. We have all of our groceries. Groceries. Okay, and then Cody, come show them my outfit. Here, turn on the lights. Hold on. Don't look at me yet. So good. So this, I got the shoes and the hoodie, you know, for my birthday. You know, I got my hair curled. So this is what I'm wearing. I got this for my birthday. And so I was like, oh damn, today. Oh. Okay. Now we're just gonna start baking the cupcakes for the party.
The sky is blue, the sun is high. Sitting here on my own, I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll. And to me that's alright.
Crack. Please. Don't worry, I did wash my hands. Smart. Even though it's just kind of common courtesy.
I spend my days just dreaming about you. Well, now that's just what I will do. I'm telling you, the sky is blue, the sun is high. I'm sitting here on my own. I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me, that's alright. Green grapes.
Now I'm going to be doing grapes because I know that a lot of people in my friend group love grapes. Can't see my face because we don't have a tripod. We left it at the house. Okay. And my family, we always will pick grapes and we'll we'll wash the grapes off and then we'll pluck them and put them in either like a bag or like a Tupperware. Just 'cause that's what I want to do. No. Southern skies. I told you not to eat them, Cody.
I had a bee sting on it.
Cody,
Make sure it's not poisonous.
knock it off. Look at those. That one looks a little more cooked. They're literally perfect. And I don't remember if it was last year or the year before, but I forgot eggs. I think it was 12. I'm 14, so 2 years ago? Man, I need to catch up on math. Anyways, but I remember I forgot eggs and oh my heck, that was a disaster.
So what you need is all the stuff for it and paper towels because they kind of get messy. And these things, I don't know if I said it already, but they'll last for 2 weeks is what like the thing says. So wait, I can't even see myself. Oh, yay. Okay, so my colors are going to be, oh my goodness, we need the tripod. You're on the baseball bat. Okay, so my colors are going to be, it's like this bluish, and then purple. I'm gonna put it on my forearm, or I think it's your forearm. Oh, just have powdered sugar on my arm. First, you take the stencil, then you put it where you want it. Make sure it's on good, because if there's like air under the stencil, when you put the stuff on, it'll go under it, so it'll mess up your design. I mean, not, well, yeah, the design, but so Wow, I'm always misplacing it. That's alright, though. So, I'm going to do half and half. I've never done that before. Boston has, and his turned out amazing. And it's like the gel stuff. And then you got to spread it around, get it where you need it. I wish there was an easier way to show you. You don't even have to put it in a stencil, I think, because I'm not a good artist. I like to use stencils, but you can redraw, freehand, whatever you call it, I don't know. Okay, so I'm done. And you can reuse the stencils. It's okay if you get on the stencils. And then you, yeah, so you get a paper towel. I like to fold it up since it'll make it smaller and a lot easier to use. Then you don't wipe because that will ruin it. It'll wipe off the stuff, but you pat it or just press it on there. Take it off, and those are my colors. And then, because it'll get off, it'll dry on your skin and stain it. I don't know easy way to say that. If it's wet, it'll peel off. It'll dry and peel off like glue on your hand. But if you dab it off, it'll take all that off, so that won't happen. Oh, I didn't push it on hard enough on the top. Ooh, come on, good. That's actually sweet. Super easy, very fun. Yep, see, just like that. Superman.
I got all the cupcakes in there. Now they're just kind of cooling off in there. And oh my heck, they look so scary. Those are for my family. Those are the test ones. And they worked out. So now I have just a whole bunch of dishes to do. That's gonna be fun. But it's fine. We've been listening to some music, and just look at my shoes. I can't even. They're so stinking cute. Okay. Anyways, but yeah, so we have all of our stuff, and they'll be here in about, that's still so hot. Why is that hot? That doesn't make sense. Hold on. They're gonna be here in 2-3 hours.
'Cause we're like alpha and omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and omega. Even if we go a lot of breakers down, I know we are alpha and omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and omega. Alpha and omega.
They had us run 6 miles, right? But then after we were at the track, track around the football field, and they're like, we should run with no shoes on. So we had socks on and just ready, And they're like, no, it's really comfortable. I'm like, that sounds like it hurt your feet. And I was like, fine, I'll do it with you guys. My feet hurt so bad. Never run on a track with just your socks. My friends were like, oh yeah, it feels like a massage. No, it does not. My feet are dead.
I'll go with you next time.
What?
I'll go with
Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and omega. Even if we go a lot of breakers down, I know we are alpha and omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and omega. Alpha and omega.
So Olivia stayed up pretty late last night with her friends. You guys didn't even start the fire. Oh, you did?
Yeah, I was right behind. It was closer to the rocks because I wanted the propane tank in the rocks. Exactly. But it was
Did anyone
funny.
roast marshmallows?
No, they ate them, but they didn't roast them. I was so confused.
Did you guys roast your hot dogs? Oh, Olivia just woke up and she's like, Mom, let me show you what I got. Whose idea was it to start opening the presents?
It was actually Sarah's.
What did she say?
She's like, okay, before we get started, she's like, I want you to open them.
Oh,
Okay.
that's fun. So where did you open them? On the tramp? On the
Just
patio?
inside, 'cause
Oh, inside?
Yeah, because I was like,
I didn't even hear you.
that's good. Benjamin, got me Chipotle. I love Chipotle. It's so yummy. And we just barely got one in Logan.
We did.
When we moved, they put one in. So I got that. And then Grayson got me a few high cheese. I love high cheese. And then a gift card to Fizz. We have a Fizz up the road. But we don't have one in Logan, which I'm really surprised. But
It's all right. You can use it here.
And then he brought me the cutest thing, and he was like, we should do a like day with everybody. And I was like, yes, up at our new house.
Aww.
And so I was like, absolutely. Okay. And then this is McCoy. I don't get, I think it's hilarious when friends give other friends money. Because I feel like that's such a grandma thing. But then I was like, what? Okay. But what he did was he rolled it up really, 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 really tight. I want to see if I can get it again. But you like,
And it was where?
It was in the straw.
How did he get it in the straw?
I don't know, but then I took a toothpick and like pried it out because I tried to like blow it out, but it didn't work.
That's a really cute idea. That's a
I
cute
know.
gift.
I
Just
think-
like a cup of candy. That's so
I've
cute.
seen tons of people do this, and now I'm like, okay, if I'm ever like, what should I get him? Just get him like a cute water bottle and then put
Yeah,
a bunch of candy.
with money in the straw.
Exactly.
That is really cute. McCoy's actually sort of related to us.
Yeah, he's our second cousin by like marriage, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's like a really, really good friend now. Which I'm really happy about that.
I love that.
So, okay, and then this was Drew. And Drew got me a huge bag of Sour Patch Kids.
Do you like Sour Patch Kids?
Yeah, I do. I like Swedish Fish and Sour Patch Kids.
I didn't know that about you.
Oh, really? I like them, but I had to sit there and I had to like suck on them because they're really sour.
Yeah.
And I like these. I never knew that I did. I thought they were disgusting for a little bit, like when I was like a year ago. But now it's alright. And then look, she made this necklace.
So cute. Oh, that is so sweet.
I know, so pretty. And then she gave me a bracelet that's like on like the pull ones.
Yeah, it's really cute. Did she make it?
Yeah, she made this one. This is from Olivia. Okay, you have to smell this. And her card was so cute. I loved it. And so first she got me 2 of the chopsticks, was these. I've been wanting to get
Those
these.
are so cute.
I've been wanting to get these like at the beginning of the year. I was like, oh, I want to get one of those, but I was like, I don't want to spend the money. Now I have them. So I love these. And then she got me a body scrub.
That's so fun.
I know, I loved it. And this is what Aubrey got me. So Aubrey got me the cutest necklace. It has like a little heart on it.
Oh, that one is really cute.
I know. I was like, oh, I like that. And then she got me the cutest hair clip. Like it has like flowers on one
Okay,
side.
that's adorable.
I know. She got me a few sticky Twix because I love those.
I knew you liked Twix.
And then she got me 2 different things of Swedish Fish because she was literally Swedish Fish. Okay. And then she wrote me the cutest note. It's inside here. I loved it.
Sweet.
So Sarah goes, okay, I had a theme. And I was like, let me guess. Was it pink? Because the whole bag is pink. And she's like, yep. Okay, so she got me neon pink eyeliner. And I was like, that's perfect. When we go to the Barbie movie, and they're doing neon pink
Yes. Okay, we'll share.
eyeliner. Yep. Oh, my bun's coming out. I can't tell.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah. And then she got me a yummy smelling hand sanitizer. She got me 2 pink nail polishes.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm gonna hold those just because I don't trust them on carpet. And then she got me these are 2 mini pink lip glosses.
Oh my gosh, those are so cute.
I know, I love them. And then she got me a pink smelling lotion, which smells really good. And then she got me necklaces, but it kind of came undone. But they're pretty.
Oh, those are fun.
No, I want to like get them out, but I'll get them out in a minute. And then she got 2 cans of the Shasta raspberry cream. And I was like, wow.
Hey, that's delicious.
I know, I love it. But yeah. Oh, wait.
Oh,
I forgot the best part. A whole bunch of
stickers.
I know. Look how cute the Polaroid camera is.
Oh my gosh.
That
Where
one
did they
is so
get those
cute.
stickers?
I don't know.
Those are so cute. Why do we like stickers so much?
I don't know, but I love them.
Those are
are so
really cute. Those are so dang cute.
I know.
So fun. Your friends are so sweet. They're so nice to me when they come over. Well, that's a fun little birthday haul.
Oh, I was like, aw.
Okay, well, happy 14th. The celebration is now officially over.
And now Lincoln's been itching to be like, when do we get to play my birthday?
Yeah, we don't talk about the next person's birthday till...
It's their time.
Yeah, now you can start thinking about yours. Thanks for showing us what you got. Okay, we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.
See ya.
This necklace is so dang cute. And you have some silver hoops that'll match it too. That's so cute.